Hi, it's Alaska Granny. Have you been wondering how to thread your brother's sewing machine? Well, it's really very simple, and the guide is built right onto the machine. It has very clear directions and numbers to help you do it easily. Let me show you the few steps it takes to thread your brother's sewing machine. First, you want to make sure that you thread your machine properly. Place your thread, follow the guidelines. Right through here, down on the right, up on the left, and then if your needle is down, you want to turn here till this little hook comes up. And catch your thread on the hook. Okay? Then you bring it down and you thread your needle. Front to back. Then for your bobbin, you push this little square button. There's a little cover that'll pop off. And you follow the guideline. You make sure the thread is coming off to the front. Drop in your bobbin. Follow the arrow. Pull the thread through. And then replace the little cover. Now hold on to your thread. Hold on to the thread that goes through your needle and turn it till it catches the bobbin thread. And now you're ready to sew. Leave a long tail and place them in the back together. Learn more at alaskagranny.com. Please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.